do you do now? Do you get people who have boats to take you to the different islands? No. So this is the update. This is the reason why I have updates, Sis Ashley. I'm go- uh, we were going to buy a boat, and the cost is 85,000 peso, or maybe it is, I don't know in USD, so maybe it is like 1,600 or 1,500 to 600 USD, 1,600 maybe, like that. So in USD, but in Philippine money it is 85, 85,000. But in additional to that, I still need to make a chair for the people or the kids when they were coming over here for Bible study, and the church here, coming over there to do the service, so that the old people also can hear God's word. And that's the purpose of this boat, that the Bible study of the kids will come over here. They were going to pick up from this boat that we're going to buy, and then we have scheduled to go to that island with pastor and pastor's wife and other members, to go there to have service, and also to reaching out the parents of the kids.